Alright, right here, we modified a dart, and we put we took a Lego guy, and we stole his sword. We stole a pirate sword from a Lego guy. And what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna pop some balloons, because we have the power with this sword here. So here we are. We're gonna put this in the nerf gun. Load. And now we're gonna come over here. No, come over here. I don't want to miss. And wait, come close. Just I don't know, back up a little bit. Alright. Now we're gonna pop some. No, not that far. Go forward. Alright. Now we're gonna pop some balloons. Go for it. Alright, fail. Next time. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, you gotta find it. I can't stop the video. It's right there. Alright. Alright. It ain't no big thing. Alright, we're gonna try this one over here. Oh my god. Swear to god this worked 5 seconds ago. Try to go closer, I don't care. There we go. Popped a balloon with the nerf gun. Alright. Let's try and get one more. Let's try that blue one. There we go. Hey baby, kiss me deadly. Oh, there we are. Let's try this last one. There we go. Movie over.